Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your piano skills to the next level with the Alesis Recital, a premium home digital piano that's about to change the game? This electric piano is tailored to you, with 88 premium full-sized semi-weighted keys that have an amazing texture and adjustable touch response, so you can play with the exact feel you prefer. The Alesis Recital is incredibly well-reviewed, with thousands of customers raving about its powerful sound and features. When you play the Alesis Recital, you'll be treated to 5 incredible voices, including acoustic piano, electric piano, and synth, with built-in effects like chorus and reverb that will make you sound like a pro. The 2 built-in 20W speakers deliver crystal clear, room-filling sound that's perfect for practice or performance. Plus, with the 1/4 sustained pedal input and 1/4 stereo headphone output, you can play with precision and privacy. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Alesis Recital has got you covered, with standard, split, layer, and lesson modes that make it easy to learn and improve. The 128-note max polyphony means you can play complex pieces with ease, and the SCUV 3-month premium subscription gives you access to expert interactive online piano lessons. With the ability to power it via the included power adapter or 6D cell batteries, you can take the Alesis Recital anywhere and play wherever you go. So why choose the Alesis Recital over other home digital pianos? The answer is simple: its combination of premium sound, powerful features, and versatility make it the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their piano skills to the next level. With the Alesis Recital, you'll be able to play with confidence and precision, and have a blast doing it. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Alesis. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.